And now we are looking at the possible benefits to taking a collagen supplement after recent research shows that it's not just good for your skin. To tell us more, we welcome back our resident doctor, Frances Fitzsimmons. Morning, Frances.
Good morning, ladies.
So collagen, very interested in this. So what has been the biggest thing about collagen supplements?
Well, for me it was the thought that you could swallow some collagen and it would find its way to your skin and give you these benefits. And I wondered about that, and it's been very, very big in Asia for many years. But the thing is that it does work, and there are 16 types of collagen, but the ones that our body are made up of most are 1, 2 and 3. And the main building blocks of human skin are type 1 and type 3, and 80% of all the connective tissue in the human body is collagen.
Wow. I've never taken it, so I'm learning lots already. What happens when I take it, and does it actually get to my skin and all the other tissues?
Yes, that's what I always wondered, but I found some repeated evidence, more than one scientific paper of study, that showed that it's absorbed from the small bowel within an hour and it makes its way around your body to all of the tissues. It's also been passed as being safe by the FDA, even the bovine from cows.
Right.
Yeah.
So I'm taking some collagen powder at the moment. I just want to see what's going to happen. But I don't actually really know. I just think it's meant to make me glow, but what are the skin benefits to it?
Well, anything you want, you'll get from the right amount of collagen. It'll improve roughness, it'll make your skin thicker because it thickens the dermal matrix.
And we want that, don't we?
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, as you age, it gets thinner. It increases hyaluronic acid. It increases ceramides, which every woman knows is in skincare, and ceramides and hyaluronic acid absorb water. Within 3 months of taking the right dose, you'll get a reduction of your wrinkles by 12%.
Whoa!
Yep.
Wow. Okay,
and don't rush out for it yet for the cellulite, but I'm going to be doing some. It's still too early to say anything about cellulite, but watch the space.
So you mentioned before that collagen forms 80% of all body tissues. So what, apart from our face and our wrinkles and the texture of our skin on our face, what other general benefits are there?
Well, there's been research on healing ulcers, healing wounds quicker.
Like stomach ulcers or mouth
no,
ulcers?
No, skin ulcers.
Right, skin ulcers.
Skin ulcers, healing wounds, reducing brittle nails by 12%, and a reduction of 42% of broken nails. It thickens hair, so more skin, hair, nails. But within the body, it does a lot of other important things.
Do you take it?
Yes, and that's because I've got a family history of osteoporosis, and it has a very important role in joints and bones and cartilage. It reduces inflammation and pain. It builds bone. It actually assists the bone building cells in the bone and the cartilage building cells in the cartilage. And it also makes the bones a bit more, I don't know, I'm not sure if it's flexible, but certainly stronger. Yeah. So it's part of that sort of like structure of the bone, so you really need it for that.
So I've got to get a benefit of actually making my hip feel better.
Yeah, absolutely, that's what I'm thinking.
Oh, I would prescribe it along with the glucosamine and the fish oil. Truly, I've already started doing that. The other thing is that there's been one study that was done in athletes, and they found that giving them a significant dose of collagen, they didn't have any repercussions or recovery time from their sport. They didn't have to have any extra care or massage, or, you know, they coped much better.
And they had amazing skin.
Yeah. We're going to have a whole new melanin, aren't you? It's going to be all better.
Now, the other thing
your face is going to be exactly the same because you don't need it, Mel.
The other thing that's I found really fascinating about this is that it also works in joints with rheumatoid arthritis. Right. So not only, it actually reduces the inflammation in the joint by reducing a messenger called TNF-alpha. So this messenger makes inflammation in the joints, and it works in other parts of the body to reduce inflammation as well.
Okay, one of the things that I walk into a pharmacy and I look at all the products and I don't know how many micrograms or milligrams or, you know, how much of anything I should be taking, and if that particular brand has enough.
Yes.
What sort of dose do we need to make a real
Now,
difference?
The doses are 8 grams or a bit more for the skin, 12 grams around that for the big benefits, the joints, the bones, the skin.
Right,
So
and
Ron's
that's going to be
taking 20.
But I'm just
So you're
thinking,
going to be on fire.
But no, I think I'm taking 20 grams of the thing, but I don't know how much collagen is in it.
True.
So that's what I need to find out, isn't it?
Yes, because most of it should be collagen, and there's a whole lot of amino acids that are part of collagen. And what's interesting about it is that the glycine component helps you sleep. So that's one of the other benefits of it.
It's a super thing.
It sounds like a new thing, doesn't it? Even though it's been around for thousands of years.
It lowers blood pressure, it protects the heart through a messenger called nitric oxide. It lowers cholesterol and blood sugar, helps you lose weight, increases muscle. I mean,
so many benefits.
Why wouldn't you take it?
so it's like a special protein supplement that will help you stay well and look good as you age.
So how do you prescribe collagen? Should we go to the doctor for it? Should we just go to the pharmacy for it? Should we buy it online?
I cannot see that it causes any harm. There haven't been any side effects. So I think it's reasonably safe for you to do your own shopping online or in the shops and have a look for these doses.
Yeah, the 8 grams or the 12
The
grams for the
12
maximum.
if you want the maximum benefit. Often it comes as a powder, which is tasteless. So now that you know the amount, you know what to look for.
Go and shop
If
around
it's
and get the
tasteless,
best one.
Chuck it in your smoothie and that kind of thing as well, I guess. Yeah, great.
I've got one I put in my coffee at the moment, so. Well, that's really fascinating. Thank you
Off
very
to
much.
buy some collagen, we are.
More and more of it. Thank you very much, Dr. Francis.
Nice to see you.
Now, if you have any concerns about what has been discussed this morning, do make sure that you consult your own health professional.